Hello, this is Mr. O'Neill, and here is my letter to the sub. This will be on the YouTube channel, and I will make sure that a link is emailed to you prior to us beginning. So my apologies if my voice is a little froggy. I'm not exactly feeling very well. Okay, so let's begin with today's schedule. Today's schedule is going to begin with first period, and that's algebra skills. And there are really two subsets for this class. There's one subset that goes to the back and gets help with their basic arithmetic, and then there's another subset that goes and works with the videos directly. So you're going to have one group with Mr. Williams in the back, and you're going to have another group that's going to be in the front watching the next video in this series. So the algebra skills, you'll have Wyatt Salo, you'll have Mark Stemick, you'll have Tanner Possinger, you'll have Jacob Jackson, and you'll have Pinkerton, who I call Pinky. Those will be the main ones that work with you in the front. The ones that are going into the back to get extra help are Jeremy Thorpe and Scotty Forrester. So these two will work with Ray Williams, and the rest will be watching the video. For second period, that's going to be our Math 96 class. Just have them work on their packets, have them finish their packets. And if they don't finish their packets, then you can have them create an equation that has a parabola that is 500 feet wide and 100 feet tall at its vertex, and have them create that equation. To double check, that one would be something like, I don't know how to do it off the top of my head right now. I'm kind of having a hard time thinking. But you can guide them along, you can tell them to watch the videos, and you can also tell them to go to their packets. Their packets do have examples. Third period is going to be Algebra 2. I'm going to make a video for them, so you won't have to worry about that. I will make sure to have the link available for you. Fourth period is your prep, so I'm just going to give you a big old smiley face. And prep and lunch are right next to each other, so I think you can get a double smiley face, because it's like having a super long lunch break. Okay, that was my best imitation of a girl's face. Please don't make fun of my drawing. I know it's bad. Okay. Then you have fifth period. Fifth period is Algebra 1. And they are even, but they know what their routine is going to be. They're going to start out with the bullpen. Then after the bullpen, they're going to watch the video. And then after their video, they're going to do their homework in class. I would recommend not allowing them to speak during the homework time. I know that they will try to convince you otherwise, but just write them all up. If you write up every person in that class, and I have 21 people going to detention when I come back, then I have 21 people going to detention when I get back. They need to do their work, they need to work on their own, and they need to turn it in before they go. No excuses. So yes, you have my permission to be a mean poo-poo head for that class. Sixth period, we flip the switch. That's geometry. And those guys are really, really great. Normally, on a review day, I have them do a printed review worksheet. But what I'll have you do is do the chapter review from the textbook. It goes section by section, and that's usually where I bring the test questions from. So more than likely, having them do the chapter review on their own won't be detrimental at all. They will do their work. And then 7th period, the last one of the day, those guys will be doing, this is pre-cal. And these ladies are awesome. Also, we will have one person from Algebra 1 in there. And she's supposed to take a test or do the test preview for it. Tell her to do the same thing that I've told the other ones from the geometry class, is that she should do the chapter 1 practice test from the book. And I will see if I can't send the original pretest to you in PDF format before I go to bed tonight. Okay, and then 8th period doesn't exist, so you are, free to go. Happy days. Okay, so let's do a quick review. 1st period, algebra skills. Jeremy, Scotty work with Ray. Wyatt, Mark, Tanner, Jacob, Pinky work with you. Math 96, they will finish their packets, or they will create an equation that creates a parabola that would be 500 feet wide and 100 feet tall at its vertex. 3rd period will have an Algebra 2 video, and I will make sure that I will send you the link in the email. 4th period is prep. 5th period will be Algebra 1. Again, I will send you a link in the email. Geometry, they can do their chapter review from the textbook. I'm not going to be able to make them a chapter review today. I'm just too sick. And then 7th period, pre-calculus. They're awesome. I will make sure that they have a video, and I will send you a link to the video. If you need help with videos and with video quality and other things like that, talk to Scott Williams. He knows how to fix just about any problem that you can come across. Okay. Alright, so that's it for our first video here, and I will be sending you links to the next ones. Alright, good luck and have fun.